Looking for a place to live that requires no yard work, snow shoveling, and where you can even bring a real-life dog? Well, 23 Rivercrest Way in South Hadley has got you covered. And frankly, it's all about open concept living and where the kitchen takes center stage. With the 42-inch cabinets, you'll never run out of space. The two-tone colored granite counters are nicely paired in mystic black with the oversized island in brown fantasy. Recessed microwave is tucked away out of sight. Pullouts for pans and trash and recycling make for convenient, neat, and tidy kitchen. This lovely home is 1,600 square feet. And it doesn't stop here. So let's head upstairs so we can see the rest of this lovely home. Upstairs, we'll find 3 nicely sized bedrooms. 2 of the bedrooms share a full bath, and the king-size master bedroom has a double tray ceiling, walk-in closet, and ensuite bath with a double sink granite-topped vanity. And the best is yet to come. The laundry's upstairs. This beautiful end unit is located only a short walk to the South Hadley Village Commons and Mount Holyoke College. So say goodbye to yard work and hello to easy breezy, pet-friendly condo living. I'm Realtor Amy Kelly, and until next time, happy house hunting.